LED conversion's going pretty good. Let's just take a quick walk around, and yeah, we can see she's Goldie's bright inside as well as outside. Not only have I done the BrightSource headlight replacement, but I've done the Phillips, and now you can see I've got both lights in each lens, the same color, the same hue, and actually in the same it's 6000K, 6000 to 6500. And so I'm working on these corner lights. I've got the small LEDs, but the 1156 is what I'm using. 1156 and 1157. These tail lights are really bright. The reverse light is still incandescent. I haven't switched those over to LEDs yet, but it's actually looking pretty sweet. Now, we're about to hit one of the worst holes I've actually been able to find. Let's go for it. This is going to be pretty brutal. I'm going to put her in 4 low right now. Right. So when I throw it into 4, I go backwards, try to go 10 feet, and then forwards again, lock those hubs in there. I'm just using the auto lockers. Okay, this is going to be a brutal hole. I don't know, filming this and driving it at the same time is not a good idea. Oh yeah, turn the corner, baby. Pretty fucking hardcore Vancouver Island bush. Okay, here we go. We're starting to get serious now. Alright, this is nasty down here. This is really nasty down here. What is this techno shit? I don't know. I got a bad disc in here. Yes, I have a disc. I use discs as well as the phone, but you know, I'm filming with the phone right now, so I don't know. This is pretty rough. Fucking hilarious. This CD is crazy. Alright, here we go. Yeah. We're gonna put the Trooper on some fucking crazy ass angles right now. In that mud hole. Thank God it's pretty dry out here right now. Trees in the way here. Oh yeah, baby, that's fucking some wicked shit right there, boys. Oh, Vancouver Island is so sweet. The more you explore, the more you see. And yeah, I'm gonna get some more work done on the truck, and then I'm gonna go for the Broken Gear Trail. But yeah, that was pretty fun. This is Forestry Pools, BC. Later, boys. Troopers, it's not even dark yet. These LEDs are crazy bright. I'm super happy with my purchase, and I'm super happy to be able to send out a box to anybody who wants them. Wow, they're pretty rugged. I was bouncing her down the logging road pretty harsh, and they're handling the vibrations. Of course, on these first-gen Troopers, the lens itself has a spring suspension system, so the lights on these trucks are designed to handle vibration very well from the get-go. But the LEDs are eating it up, and I could tell the heat sink was working. They certainly shed quite a bit of heat, and they are reversible to design, to get that airflow or to give you more room, either way you want. Pretty versatile light, but definitely designed just for the 9004. Trooper coming at you, busy as hell here, so we're doing an upgrade that I really want to share with you on the road. And we're actually at the Kiva rest stop here on our way to Port Hardy, BC. Anyways, check this out, baby. We got these BrightSource LEDs, and we are replacing the old Halogen 9004s. Now, this is an upgrade that I can help you do on your Trooper if you got a first gen or anything with a 9004 headlamp, and I can send you these for 220 Canadian plus shipping with a 1-year warranty. And so we're about to test out this set. I'm really stoked to have found a really decent LED replacement for the old Halogen 9004s. So if you're doing a quick replacement, I'm going to show you what I've done. Obviously, I've had to lock the ring on. The set is dead simple. It just comes with a couple of Allen keys, the headlamps, the little ballast igniter down here, and a little sticker and book of owner's directions, which of course we did not read. And so we take apart one Allen screw, pull a plastic ring off there with the O-ring gasket, and pop our Isuzu locking gasket on there with this plastic locking tab. And I've already done the battery side here, super simple. Even with the big battery upgrade, it still fits in. And so you can see the ballast down there, along with the light down in the hole already. I just had to remove this fuse panel. I didn't even have to remove the battery. You just pull this straight up, and you can get your hand in there, just yank it up towards the washer fluid canister. And you can see I'm just stuffing wires here for now. And we're going to clean that up in the future. But once you pull that, it'll allow you to get your hand in there, and it goes in the hole real easy. Remember, don't touch the bulbs when you go to install. And I'll do this one right now, and you can see how simple it is. We've got this plastic receptacle on the end ready to go for your 9004 plug, and so we're just going to put it in there and probably throw the igniter on the side here for now. Sunny as all get out, and of course trying to film while we're getting the bulb in there, and it just fits down in there. I'm gonna turn it till I get the tab right. Oh, that was a hole-in-one on the first shot, was it? I think so. And so I get the O-ring. You'll feel the O-ring snugly fit into the slot. And so if I pull it back right now, yeah, okay, I found the slot right away and just slipped right in. That was super simple. Now I'm going to get this locking tab in place. It slips down once I turn it to the right open spot, and now it is locked on. And where is my light plug? It is right down here, this white one. And so now I just need to jimmy that plug over there onto this one. Make sure I hear a clip. I can throw a little dielectric grease around the outside of the body, not on the tabs themselves, but on the outside of the body. And I shouldn't have any voltage problems at all. Oh, I didn't screw that tight. But you can see they've got these waterproof fittings, and I'm really impressed with how this thing is put together. This looks like really good quality craftsmanship. And so I'd be happy to send you one of these BrightSource units. You just send me an email and let me know if you want one of these.
They're pretty sweet. I'm going to take some pictures after dark, and we'll do a before and after comparison. But I'm, well, rubber side down. Yeah. Later, buddies.